So will he end up buying it or won't he? That is the big question still hanging over Elon Musk and his now seemingly defunct plan to buy the social media firm Twitter for $44 billion. The world's richest man pulled out late on Friday, saying the company hadn't given him enough information about fake accounts. Its share price has taken a big hit in pre-market trading in New York, and the company says it's going to sue him to make him close the deal. Well, let's get the latest now with our correspondent, Samira Hussein, who is in New York for us. Hi, Samira. Well, the big question, which I guess you don't actually have the answer to, but what do you think, in your analysis, is this deal dead in the water or not?
Well, we're certainly going to hear the two sides battling it out. On the one hand, you have Elon Musk, who has repeatedly said that he's not getting all of the information that he wants, that he believes that the metrics that Twitter has been using to identify fake accounts doesn't actually tell the whole story. And from Mr. Musk's point of view, well, then that actually isn't showing the true value of the company if there aren't as many people actually actively using it. For Twitter's, what they're saying is that, look, you already signed the deal. These are the metrics that we use. We've given you all the information that you want, and now they're absolutely going to hold them accountable. What really is this setting up is what's probably going to be a long, protracted fight in the courts. Twitter has already said that they're going to take them to a court here in the United States and that they're going to fight to make sure that he goes through with that deal.
And I guess the prospect of a lawsuit means we're going to hear a lot more detail about what they're actually arguing over.
That is certainly the case. I think also there are a few other things at play. One, you could see that Twitter will try to force Elon Musk to go through with the deal. But on the other hand, there is also an option of Twitter just sort of, trying to make this go away. Because Elon Musk has a cult-like following. There are people who really, he is very popular and among a certain sector of people, And it is possible that that popularity may weigh on Twitter in terms of just how much they are going to want to fight against Elon Musk. So there is that possibility as well, that Twitter just decides it's just not worth it to deal with all the Musk people out there, and that let's just make this all go away.
And what impact is all of this having on Elon Musk's wider empire, Tesla, for example?
So Tesla is one of the biggest reasons why Elon Musk is as wealthy as he is, and he's been using that as a way to be able to fund this deal with Twitter. Now, there's two forces at play. Yes, on the one hand, we're seeing that actually the news of Mr. Musk walking away from the Twitter deal has risen. The shares of Tesla have risen as a result. But on the other hand, if you look at the technology space altogether, across the board, we're seeing big drops in tech stocks. And Tesla is another one of those companies that have fallen victim to it. So, there are the market forces at play, but then there's also just what Mr. Musk is using in order to make that deal with Twitter.
OK, for now, Samira, thank you.